Assalamualaikum and hi to lecturers and friends. Today I will present my proposal for topical study topic 1. For my first proposal, the topic will be proposed livable outdoor learning space on campus to enhance healthy lifestyle in UiTM Seri Iskandar Perak. The lack of outdoor learning opportunities in nature due to limited green spaces and amenities may lead to users develop unhealthy lifestyle habit. So, the students who are the main users of the campus, they need to build a healthy lifestyle by establish a healthy pattern of behavior. The following are some problem statements that related to the first topic. The first one is lack of livable outdoor space that is conducive to socialize near the faculty buildings and hostel, and also inadequate awareness of the benefit having a well-designed landscape for mental health and well-being. The aim for this study is to study the landscape element that is able to create a healthy outdoor learning environment for the user by having visual landscape quality around the campus. The aim will be supported by the three objectives, which are to understand the landscape design approach that can support a livable and healthy lifestyle environment, to explore the characteristics of the healthy outdoor learning environment, and also to identify the impact of visual landscape on campus environment toward the users. Next, this is the scope of study. So I will explain the keywords that are related to each other and support the scope of study. Providing a livable outdoor learning environment on campus will encourage physical movement, social interaction between human and also human nature, and have a sense of place for the student. In addition, they will able to interact more with nature and have stronger connection to the place. Livability on campus can be measured by the quality of life factor such as environmental quality, safety, accessibility, social and cultural element. Having a livable outdoor learning environment is important to human well-being. So by having a livable, conducive and interactive environment, it will give impact to the user lifestyle. Several factors will influence a healthy lifestyle, including a physical movement and an individual factor. Next, visual in landscape will contribute greatly in our well-being and quality of life, and having landscape visual quality will give impact to positive and destructive element. These are two methods to conduct the assessment, which are descriptive assessment method and evaluative assessment method. So this is the methodology that will be used for this topical study, which has 4 stages. Stage 1 is research topic. The second stage will be primary data collection, then followed by stage 3, analysis and finding, and the last stage, stage 4, the synthesis. For the expected outcome, for this topical study, we expect capable of designing a space where can create a positive and healthy interaction between users and natural environment. Also to optimize landscape design by creating an attractive and aesthetic landscape around the campus area to enhance their academic performance and promote the well-being of users. The last one is develop campus design that will promote sustainable development goals. So for the proposed site, the campus is strategically located at the Central Perak district and also located next to Ipoh Lombok Highway. So the reason why I choose this site is because there are plenty of open spaces which the space can be utilized and maximize it as an outdoor learning space. As a result of conducting this study, we will get a better understanding of the important elements in create an environment that will encourage healthy lifestyle through the visual landscape design on the campus. That's all from me. Thank you. For my second proposal, the topic will be conservation of the ecosystem as ecotourism attraction at Teluk Batik Perak. Ecosystem conservation is a comprehensive approach to source management that's aimed to protect all plants and animal species within the area. The aim of this study is to study about the conservation of ecosystem which can contribute to development of sustainable ecotourism, and the objectives are to explore approach of the conservation of the ecosystem and also to identify the characteristics of ecotourism that are suitable to carry out in the coastal area. Next, the scope of study that I will cover are conservation of coastal ecosystem, connectivity through ecological network, and also sustainable ecotourism. So this diagram will show the keywords that are related to each other and support the scope of study. To protect the coastal ecosystem and ensure it has a positive impact to the environment, we must be aware of how the ecosystem functions because it will create a good ecosystem services and produce a management plan that will protect the whole ecosystem. As a result, ecotourism will get benefit from the ecosystem conservation. Ecotourism is influenced by both natural and cultural factors, but in this topic, the natural factor will be highlighted. Nature-based attraction will incorporate educational efforts and minimize the negative impact. Next, this is the methodology. that will be used for this topical study. The expected outcome for this topical study are incorporating landscape design elements that can contribute to conservation of ecosystem and tourism expansion. Also to help the users to get good exposure and awareness on how to care about ecosystem services. The last expected outcome is to improve in design that will contribute to achieve a sustainable development goal. The proposed site is located approximately 6.5 km from Lumut town, and it's actually an ideal tourist and picnic destination to visit. Issues of this site is Teluk Rubiah Terminal, which also known as Vale. Besides, there are some coastal areas that are eroding due to the erosion. But at the same time, the site is strategically located, which is surrounded by the beauty of the tropical rainforest and abounded in the surrounding hills. To summarize, the topical study that I have conducted is an important step toward understanding the importance of ecosystem conservation and how it can contribute to the development of sustainable ecosystem. That's all for my proposal presentation. Thank you for listening.